Hello everyone, this is one in a series of videos that I'm doing on the Infinity car and light truck system. Today's video is on torque boxes and how to set them up. The first thing we'll need to do is open the program, which we can do by clicking on the Infinity icon on our desktop. And once we do that, the program will open up. Now we do recommend that you run your system for at least 15 minutes prior to measuring. During this time you can set up targets, fill out customer information, shop order information, any of those things while you're waiting. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and hit OK on that box. Now normally you would create a new shop order, but I've already created one, so we're going to go ahead and select that. The next step is selecting a vehicle. We're going to be using a Toyota Camry, 2009 Toyota Camry. Select that, sedan, and we'll assign that to the shop order. And we'll go to the target screen. And these green points are your torque box points. This is where you'll set the targets for your torque box. You can see the pictures in the corner there. I like to put odd targets on the passenger side and even targets on the driver's side, just to make it easier to remember. Now we'll hit the measurement tab. Now you'll see our torque box is showing up. Looks pretty good. We're all in the green. We can go back to the target placement. If you ever have trouble getting your torque box, just add a few more targets along your frame and it'll help it gain orientation. So go ahead and add targets at the front and back of the frame here. 1 and 7 and 2 and 8. Alright. And I'll go ahead and hit the measurement screen again. There you go. Now you can see all of our targets have popped up. We're getting measurements. Our torque box looks good. If you ever have damage in your torque box area and don't want to use a torque box point, you can create a custom torque box. You do need to go back to the target placement screen. And we can go ahead and remove some of the targets we won't be using. So go ahead and we'll take 7. As you can see, when you click one of the points, you can see the adapter that you need to use and the stems. Let's remove 3, we'll remove 4, we'll take 7, and we'll take 8. So we have 2 torque box points and 2 non-torque box points. So what we're going to do next is we'll go back to the measurement screen. Now you can see those points there, and we'll hit set up custom torque box. Now you can only set up a custom torque box if you have 4 targets on the frame, no more than that. It's now zeroed those out because it's assuming there's no damage in that torque box area. So one other thing you can do is go to frame dimensions and click here on frame dimensions, and this will show you the points on your frame that you're actually looking at. So when you attach an adapter to any one of the points on the frame, you are actually pulling up one of those points. Now we can go ahead and close the program. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something. Thank you.